It's Camille from Betty, and I'm back with another video, and this time it is on a Keepall 45 that is not authentic. So this one is a replica of a Damier Graphite pattern. The 45 stamp should always be very close to this D-ring tab. And as you'll see here, it is located about 3/4 of an inch away from that D-ring tab. Also, if you look at the stitching here, you can see how this fabric is beginning to shred, and it is not leather. It is like a pseudo leather material. This Keepall has come along with a Louis Vuitton card holder, which Louis Vuitton Keepalls are never sold with this type of card ever. As well, on the inside, you can look and see that it does have a pocket, which Louis Vuitton products do not. And then also,
Hello, how are you?
The long tab here is longer than it should be, as well as the date code is embossed, is very deep, and it should not be made that way. So only Speedy bags, Louis Vuitton, are made with this inner pocket, as you see here. The inside of the pocket is made with some sort of nylon material in a pocket that generally would not be there at all. This is the inside of it. You can see how deep the Louis Vuitton logo is on that tab. It's engraved very deep there. And on the side as well, which is engraved very deep on there. All right, and we'll be back again.